Hi, welcome. My name is Aline Arnold, and I'm a trained chef and a nutritional therapy practitioner. And I help busy women like you create meal plans that fit their nutritional needs. So, as you know, life is getting so busy, it's not slowing down anytime soon. And who has time to spend a lot of time in the kitchen making these gourmet meals for your family and for yourself? Because let's be real, what you make and what you eat should be designed for your body and for your needs, not just your family's needs as well. We want to feel energized and we want to eat delicious food. That's why each week I'm going to be posting one recipe per week, maybe a few more. But for sure, every Thursday I'll have a new recipe up waiting for you. Most recipes are between 20 to 30 minutes to streamline and make your dinners get on the table a lot quicker. They're going to be step by step. You're going to know exactly what to do in real time. So be sure to click that subscribe button so you can get delicious and healthy recipes. We are done with the diet culture where you have to eat plain, boring food all day long to stay healthy. These meals and these recipes are actually delicious where you're going to want to come back to them time and time again. So hit that subscribe button and I will see you on Thursdays. Bye now.